So what comes standard with the Vivax Metrotech VM850 kit? Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and today we're going to go over the VM850 kit. So this is your standard VM850 kit, and with that kit you're going to get this nice hard case, and in that hard case you're going to get the VM850 receiver. Has two alkaline batteries with it, extendable antenna. The VM850 transmitter, which has a rechargeable battery in it. You'll get the charger for those batteries. Conductive leads with large clips. Earth ground rod. USB cable. And a user handbook. This is what you receive in the Vivax Metrotech VM850 standard kit.